So children, now I am going to take the writing. I am going to take a math subject. In this subject, we are going to complete the different concept that we have already learned in our previous videos, like draw the balls, count and write the number, color the correct number of objects. So again I am going to take these concepts once again. Okay? So all of you look here, children. So our first concept is look at the number and draw the object. मतलब क्या, हमें इस नंबर को देखना है और उसके रिगार्डिंग उतने ही ऑब्जेक्ट हमें यहाँ पे निकालने हैं. So look at here, Jams. Which is this number? Yes, this is 1. So I am going to draw here one sun. So look at here, all of you. This is one sun. Sun सिर्फ एक ही रहता है ना. That's why we are going to draw this object one sun. Okay. So look at here. Which is the next number? Number 2. Number 2. So I am going to draw here 2 trees. 2 trees. 1 and 2. These are 2 trees. Okay. Now next number is 3. So I am going to draw here 3 flowers. Okay. Three flowers. So we will start from 1, 2 and 3. अभी यहाँ पे हमें और फ्लावर्स निकालने हैं क्या? नहीं, because we have to draw only 3 flowers. 1 flower, 2 flower and 3 flower. Okay. Now, our next number is 4. So, I am going to draw here 4 balls. Okay. So, we will start from 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we write here 5? No, because here is number 4. So we have to draw here only 4 balls. यहाँ पे 4 नंबर है, so हमें यहाँ पे सिर्फ 4 balls ही निकालने हैं. Okay. Now next number is, which is this number? 5. Okay. So I am going to draw here 5 leaves. 1 leaf. 2 leaf, 3, 4 and 5. These are all 5 leaves. When we draw this object, you have to say the number loudly. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are 5 leaves. So all of you understand how to draw the object? हमें नंबर देखना है और वैसे उस नंबर के हिसाब से हमें यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट निकालना है. So children, our next concept is look at the number and color the correct number of object. मतलब हमें इस नंबर को देखना है और उतने ही ऑब्जेक्ट को कलर करना है. So here are different pictures. These are toffees. These are all bells. These are tops. These are all ships and these are mangoes. So first we have to read this number loudly. Which number is this? This number is 4. So I am going to color only 4 chocolates, 4 toffees. Okay. So I am going to color first toffee. I am using different color chalks or crayons. You also color with different crayons. whichever you like the color difference. Okay, this is first one, this is two. Our next number is 3. You have to color it slowly. Don't go outside. Okay. Then after 3, what comes? 4. This is 4 toffees. Can we color this toffee? No, because we have to color only 4 toffees. Okay. Again we have to count it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now our next number is 2. So we have to color only 2 bells. So I'm going to color these bells with blue color. One, and this one is 2. अच्छे से कलर करना है slowly slowly. Okay. This is 2. So we have to color only 2 bells. 1 bell and 2 bell. We don't have to color remaining bells. Okay. Our next number is 5. So I am going to color 5 top. So I am using here green color crayon. And pink color crayon. Okay. This one is 1. Then 2. Three. 4. And last one is 5. When you color the object, you have to say the number also loudly. These are all 5 tops. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now which number is this? This is 3 number. So I am going to color the 3 shapes. 1, 2, and 3. We don't color this shape because we have to color only 3 shapes. Okay. Now our next number is 1. So I am going to color only 1 mango. There are so many mangoes, but we have to color only 1 mango. So I am going to color this mango with yellow color. This is one mango. Okay. So all of you understand, champs, how to color the objects? Children, our next concept is write the numbers 1 to 5 serially. So we are going to write 1 to 5 numbers in a sequence. Okay. So we have to put a pencil in the middle of the square and touch on bottom line number 1. After number what comes? 2. So put our pencil in the middle of the square and touch on bottom line number 2. The next number is 3. Very good. After that 4. So you have to write each and every number from the middle of the square and touch on bottom line. This is number 4. And which one is number 5? Okay. So these are all 1 to 5 numbers. We have to leave all remaining squares. Again, I am going to repeat all these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very good. So you have to write these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are 1 to 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. When you write this number, you also speak loudly. Okay? Friends, all of you understand all these concepts? So we are going to take all these concepts once again in our workbook. So parents, this is our maths workbook. Please open the page number 31, 32 and 33. So parents, please open the page number 31. You have to write with pen CW above this page. Now page number 32. Write here also CW above this page. And page number 33 also for classwork. You have to write with pen only. So champs, shall we start our concept? So our first concept is look at the number and draw the object. So which is this number? 1. Very good. So we have to draw a 1 sun. Okay, this is 1 sun. Our next number is 2. So we are going to draw a 2 trees. Okay. One and 2. We have to draw only 2 trees. Okay. Now which is this number? 3. So we are going to draw a 3 object. If you want to draw any other object, you have to draw it. If you want to draw this ice cream, leaves, sheep or stars, whatever you want to draw here, you have to draw like that. This is number 3. So I am going to draw here a 3 flowers. One flower, two flower, and this is third flowers. That's mean 1, 2 and 3 flowers. Don't write next flower because we want to draw only 3 flowers. Then which number is this? 4. So I am going to draw here 4 balls. 1 ball, 2 ball, 3 ball and 4 balls. So we have to draw here 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you draw this object, you have to say the number also loudly. Then last one is 5. Which number is this? 5. So I am going to draw here 5 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 leaves is here. So all of you understand this? How to write, draw the object with that according to that number? Okay. So we will turn our page and our next concept is look at the number and color the correct number of object. Now look at the first number. This number is 4. Now look at the first number. This number is 4. So we are going to color only 4 chocolates. So you have to color with crayons and do it slowly. Don't go outside. Okay. One, two, three, and last one is 4. We have to color only 4 chocolates. Don't color the next chocolate, okay? So our next number is 2. So I am going to color only 2 bells, okay? One bell and 2 bells. Okay. Now our next number is 5. So we are going to color only 5 tops. Okay. So I am going to color it here with a purple color. One, two, three, four, and last one is 5. So we have to color 5 tops. Children, which is this number? This is number 3. So we are going to color 3 ships. Okay. So color like this. कलर अच्छे से देना है बच्चों. डोंट गो आउटसाइड. ओके. कलर इट नाइसली. 1 and 2 and 3. इसके आगे का हमें कलर करना है क्या? No, because we have to color only 3 shapes. Okay, so our next number is 4. Sorry, 1. Which number is this? 1. So we have to color only one mango. So I am going to color this mango with orange color. This is one mango. So we have to color only one mango. So champs, all of you understand this concept? How to color the object regarding that number. So our next concept is write the numbers 1 to 5 serially. Serially means you have to write these numbers in sequence only. And don't leave the square between two numbers. So we will start the numbers. So you have to put the pencil in the middle of the square and touch on bottom line 1. Again from middle, touch on bottom line 2. After that 3. After that 4 and 5. We have to write only 1 to 5 numbers. Now we have to write it again one time. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. When you write, you have to say these numbers loudly. Again, I am going to write these numbers. You have to write each and every number from the middle of the square. Okay? 3, 4 and 5. 1. Again, put your pencil in the middle of the square and touch on bottom line. 2, 3, 4 and last one is 5. Remaining square, you have to leave that. So all of you understand how to write 1 to 5 numbers serially? Okay. Children, all of you understood all these concepts? So all of you do this concept in workbook neatly and nicely. You have to use different crayons in your workbook. And one more thing is, don't do scribbling. Don't go outside that page. Okay? And whenever you draw the pictures, you have to draw it with pencil only. And one more thing is for parents, that you have to give them this all concept on separate page and tell your child to do it nicely. And like me, you have to explain them like that. Okay? So till then children, bye-bye.